Hey guys, today we're going to talk about a platform called Freecash that offers free cash for playing games, testing apps, and filling out different surveys. And the best part is you can withdraw your free cash instantly to debit cards, PayPal, or even cryptocurrency wallets. So first of all, let's jump into their main page to actually check out all the facts, the reviews, and later I'm going to show you how to actually use this platform. And if you want to follow what I'm doing on the screen right now, just sign up using my link which is in the description and use code NASA. This will give you one free box to open, and this box could be worth up to $50. So let's jump into the main page of Freecash, and we have the main tagline: you get paid for testing apps, games, and surveys. You can earn up to $20 per offer, which is really impressive for free money. And right now they have 151 offers available, and the number of offers will depend on actual region you're staying. For example, some regions get better offers, some get worse. So again, it's kind of a lottery, or you can also use VPN service. So one of these offers is just to start Netflix free trial, and this gives you $5. Next up, you can play a game called Dice Dream and reach level 10. This will give you $20 reward. Or for example, sign up on TikTok and this will give you $2. And this is just an example of what kind of offers you can expect. And you can see it's really simple and you get paid kind of a lot, I think. For example, the average time until user makes first cash out is around 17 minutes. Again, really impressive. And I can vouch for that. For example, if you open my gift box, it's already free money. Also, if you sign up, usually they give you $5. So I think this number is even lower. Next up, average money earned by users is $37. It's from yesterday. I will also show you a leaderboard because they have a leaderboard of people making money, and some people are making thousands of dollars every month. Again, really impressive. And totally, they gave out $50 million. And if you scroll down, you can get even more information about the partners and also the reviews. For example, if we jump into the Trustpilot, they have actually 172,000 reviews and it's at 4.7, which is really impressive number for this kind of platform, which means users are happy and they're getting paid. And for example, if we jump into my personal platform dashboard, you can see I made $273 and I'm actually not really trying to make money. I just did some tasks to show you in this video because I don't want to show you empty account. So I did few tasks and this is how much I made. I think this is a pretty good amount of money for playing games. I think most of you play similar games just for free, just spending your own money, and you can get paid for it. For example, if you want to play games and make money, let's go to gaming offers, and you can see we have some games like Monopoly, we have some games like puzzles, Uno. So let's go and filter out by most popular, or let's go by the highest rewards. So right now we have some games, for example, this Warpath that pays you $758. But again, there are some conditions to actually get paid. So if you click on this task, you can see how much they will pay for different tasks. So for installation, you get 1 cent. If you upgrade your command center to level 7, you get 26 cents. If you purchase the first item, you get 29 cents. If you upgrade up to level 13, you get additional 32 cents. And you can see if you do all of these tasks, some of these tasks pay you $600, you can make $758 just by playing this game. Yeah, sometimes these tasks that pay you $500, you have to play this game for a long time. But if you go, for example, to some of the more popular, let's go most popular, and we have games like Monopoly Go, which is actually a popular game of itself without paying other players. So for installation, you get nothing. But for reaching board 5, you get 1 cent. For reaching board 12, you get 2 cents. And if you reach board 301, you get $21. And you can see overall you can make $45 just by playing Monopoly Go, which I think is a fun way to make money. And you can see we have so many different games to pick from. So just pick what's your favorite, what's paying the most. Just play this game and get paid. If we go back to the main page, we have some other offers. I also mentioned you can test out different apps, so you can see other offers. Let's check it out. For example, right now I don't have that many offers, but maybe that's because of my region, because in the past months I had way more offers. For example, you can do Alibaba offers, which pays you like 21 cents. You can do some surveys. You can play this game, or what is Tap My Tile, which pays you 69 cents. And the last option to make money is actually filling out surveys. Again, these surveys will depend heavily on location and region where are you located. For example, US and European clients usually, from my experience, get better deals. But right now I'm in Europe and the deals are not as great. For example, you can see right now I get some offers for 50 cents, $1, $1. And these are really simple questionnaires and forms. You just answer some questions and you get paid $1, $1, 50 cents, which is not crazy, but it's free money online. I think the most lucrative deals, of course, are games. And also don't forget, if you use my link and my code, you get one free box to open. For that, you go to the rewards. You can click rewards. Right here, you have bonus codes. So if you use my code, you can get 1 free box and it should be worth up to $50. I'm not sure how much you're gonna get, but this is what the platform says. Next up, we have daily streaks, where you can actually do these tasks daily and you get additional bonus. Basically, if you work daily, you get more money. And we also have leaderboards, so you can actually check out how much people are making daily. So some people are making $50, $35, but it's still pretty early in the day. And the last thing, of course, cashing out. As I mentioned, when you make this money, you can cash out instantly, and they have multiple cash out options. You can actually cash out to stake. This will give you a 15% bonus on your cash out. You can also cash out to PayPal, Google Play, Visa cards, or you can cash out to your crypto wallet using Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Ethereum, or Dogecoin cryptocurrencies. So in my opinion, this platform looks really cool. It offers a great way to get started and get some free cash online. You can make like few hundred, I think, up to 1,000, I think, realistically a month by playing these games, making these surveys, and testing out apps. And the best part is these offers are updated constantly. So just go to the website as often as possible, because sometimes you can find really great offers, which will give you $100 just for 1 day of work. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And of course, if you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.